Okay, Lisa and I wanted to do a video in case you wanted to be able to figure out how to assign a test to a student from MAP. So the first thing I would do is I'd click on Chrome because I like that browser for NWEA. I would click it open. I would click the link, which is in OneNote under Power Up Monday for September 12th, and I would go ahead and log in. So when you've logged into the MAP, this is where you probably are going to go to the home page. At this time, I would look at managing test sessions because that's what you want to do. You want to do a test session. And I would look at my saved testing sessions to make sure I don't have any. And you can see we have one. So August 30th is over. We want to delete that session. So the radio button's clicked. I hit delete. Are we sure we want to delete it? Yes. So I hit OK. I have no saved testing session at this time. So now I want to set up one. I hit test my class. It depends on what hour you're testing. I know 8th grade is testing by 6th hour. So I'm going to click through to see where 6th hour is, which is here. And I've clicked that class, hour 6. 7th grade I think is testing by 5th hour, and 6th grade is testing by 1st hour. And I hit test now. At this time, I should have as many kids on my roster in Synergy on 6th hour as I do right here. And it all says awaiting student, and you can see we have not assigned a test. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit select status. And I'm going to select all because I want all students to be assigned. I'm then going to come over here and hit assign test. This is where you have to be very careful. We're doing reading on Tuesday, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th from the top, and it's called MAP Reading 6+ Kansas 2010. And I'm going to assign that test. You could now see that every student has been assigned the Reading 6+ Kansas MAP. At this time, there's nothing more for me to do, so I'm actually going to hit end testing session. I'm actually going to change my testing session name. This is what students will use to log in, so you could make it easy. I'm just going to put September 13th, because that's the day of the test, and the first and last initial of the teacher for Sean Seacrest. And I'm going to hit save and exit. Now I'm going to pretend like it's the actual day of the test. So again, you log in. You go to manage test session. This is the actual morning of the test. Remember, you don't want to do this. You've already done it. You want to go to saved test session. And she actually has one for September 13th. So I want to hit test now. On the board, I'm going to put test session name September 13 SS, session password 2599. The students will have already logged into the computer. Those will should be set up for you on the morning of the test. You come in, they put these two things in. They go ahead and read the directions and move on until they need to be confirmed. And this button will start changing, saying you have 3, 4, 5 kids to be confirmed, and you just keep hitting confirm now. You should see down below that all your kids are being tested. And if they're absent, you can tell that they won't have any approximate questions moving. If you have any questions, see Lisa or Phoebe.